Hi everyone! Welcome to another Cotton and Cloud video tutorial. This is one of three video tutorial to help you knit my Raindrop lace shawl pattern. For more information, please visit www.cottonandcloud.com. In this tutorial, I'll go through chart E of the pattern. Chart E consists of only 3 rows. The purpose of it is to complete the left edging so that it prepares for grafting at the end. The important things to notice about chart E is that it starts from the wrong side of the row. You're currently seeing the right side, and there should now be 10 stitches on the left side of the stitch marker. Okay, so you're now ready to work row 1 of chart E. Charts always show you the right side of the work. This means on row 1 on the wrong side, I should be working knit 6 so that it would show purl 6 on the right side. Okay, so I have done knit 5 and 6 now and purl 1 to make a large eyelet and the knit 2. Now I have 1 stitch left in front of the stitch marker and this needs to be wrapped and turned. To wrap this stitch and turn, you need to slide the last stitch to the right needle, bring the yarn forward and slide back to the left needle and turn the whole thing to the right side, and you can now see this little stitch has a working yarn wrapped around it. Okay, so we're now working on row 2, which is knit all the way to the end. Okay, and turn the work to the wrong side. And you're ready to do row 3. So you'll be casting off 4 stitches. 2, 3, and 4. And knit to the last stitch before the stitch marker. So this stitch is the one which you've just wrapped on the first row. Knit this stitch through the back of the loop. Then slide marker, okay, to the right side of the needle. And continue to purl until the next stitch marker. Okay, so you're up to the second stitch marker. So slide this marker to the right needle and knit the next stitch through the back of the loop and knit all the way to the end. Okay, so this completes chart E, and you're now ready to do chart F, which is the right corner of the shawl.